Hi everyone, today I'm going to fix my Fiat 500 TPMS sensor issue. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, my Fiat 500 has had the TPMS sensors issue for a long time, and it is time for me to fix the TPMS sensor issue. And today is the state safety inspection time, so I'm at my mechanic shop. What's gonna happen is my mechanic is going to replace the TPMS sensors with the new one. I bought 4 of them right here, and it's gonna look like this, guys. I will put everything in the description where you can purchase it. The thing is, I don't have the tools to remove the tires and to put it back on. It's gonna cost me more to buy the tool, so it's cheaper to actually bring it to my mechanic. So the TPMS sensor comes with the brand new tire valve right there, air valve, and the TPMS sensor itself right here. So yeah, it comes in a set, and the battery is sealed, so once it's out, you just have to replace the whole entire sensors. I'm gonna change all 4 sensors since my Fiat is a 2012 Fiat 500. It's pretty old. It's gonna at least it's gonna last at least another 4 to 5 years, so I don't have to worry about replacing it. Yeah, it's really neat. It's pretty cheap too. I'm just gonna have the state safety inspection, so my car will pass the Virginia state safety inspection, and I'm just gonna change the TPMS sensors, and hopefully we can get rid of that TPMS sensor light warning right there. Anyway, I'll be back. That's Jeff. He's taking care of my Fiat. Yeah, he's gonna change the TPMS sensors today. I trust my car to Jeff. So nice. Oh. One tire is out. There you go. 2 tires out. Just gonna drain the air from the tire, and they have a special tool to drain it. You can see. There you go. So we're just gonna empty the air from the tire. Okay, tire number 3 is out. We're gonna remove the cap, and we're gonna gonna remove tire number 4. Okay, number 4 is out. Look how fast Jeff did it. Jeff just said, good thing they are Fiat 500 tires, not truck tires. This tire is really easy to remove. Look at that. They're so light. Yeah, he's gonna just use the tool. Look at that, just like that, to remove the tires. Awesome stuff. Remove it. Yeah, it's crazy how easy it is to remove the Fiat 500 tires, and they're really light. And my mechanic Jeff just said, good thing they're not truck tires. The Fiat 500 tires actually very light, so that's what I love about it. He's gonna remove the TPMS sensor right there, the old one. See, that's the old TPMS sensor, that black one. They're out. Yeah, Jeff can do it a lot faster. Oh, there you go. That's the old TPMS sensor. Look like that. It's gonna remove the air valve. There you go. It's done. Amazing. Yeah, he's putting the new tire valve. Yeah, now Jeff's gonna put the new TPMS sensors. Hey, how are you, sir?
I'm good, sir. How you doing today?
Very good. Yeah, now Jeff is putting the new TPMS sensor and mount it to the tire valve. Oh, look at that. Holy cow. That's awesome. Now the new TPMS sensor is on. Now the TPMS sensor is on, and just going to mount the tire back on the wheel. He's testing it now, and put the tire back on the wheel. Okay, one tire is done, so Jeff is putting the tire back on. And the cool thing about the Fiat 500, the tire is super light. Look how tiny it is. This is the second tires. Just like that. It's so nice when you have all the tools that you need. That's it. See, that's the old TPMS sensor again. And Jeff is removing the old TPMS sensor. It's attached to the air valve. The second tire is up. So 2 more tires to go. The third tire now gonna be taken care of. Look at that. It's so easy for Jeff to dismount the tire from the wheel. It's crazy how fast he does it. Amazing. And check this out. This is just incredible how he does it. Bam. That's it. The TPMS sensor, the old one is exposed already. Yeah, that's the old TPMS sensor right there. He's gonna take it out from the tire. It's gonna look like this, guys. This is the old one. The new one is gonna be blue. Look at that. Just gonna remove it. Is holding the TPMS sensor. That's it. There you go. Now it's out. Okay, so that's the new one. He's taking it out of the box. Yeah, he's gonna put the new tire valve on. This is why you have to give it to the pro. The TPMS sensor comes with everything that you need. It's mounting the new TPMS sensor right there with a socket. That's basically what you do, guys. How you change the Fiat 500 TPMS sensors when you have the TPMS sensor error issue. You just buy the TPMS sensor and then bring it to your mechanic and let them do it. Tire number 3 is completed. So we have one more tire to go. One more tire and we're good to go. It's so much faster when you have your mechanic do it. Now tire number 4, almost done. Man, I want that tool. Look at how fast he does it. Bam, that's it. Just like that. Then the whole TPMS sensor is exposed. Yeah, Jeff's gonna put the last TPMS sensor. Let's put the bolt and we're done for the day. Oh, I'm glad. Tire number 4 is done. Woohoo! Good job, Jeff. It's done. Voila! Just gonna mount the tire back on and we're done. Here we go, the explosion. Done. That pop means it's done. Yeah, tire number 4 is up. Yeah, we're done for today. That's awesome. Well, the Fiat is back from inspection. Anyway, thank you guys. Hi everyone, I'm really excited. All 4 sensors are working and the TPMS sensor warning light is gone. So check that out. It's gone. It's gone forever, and I verified using my MaxiCOM, Autel MaxiCOM 808 TS. So as you can see, all 4 sensors are now can be triggered. That means the battery level of the sensors are good. I mean it's good. So yeah, all 4 sensors are good basically now. The battery level is good, so no more TPMS sensor light. I'm really excited. So anyway, that's basically how you change the TPMS sensors. You can either do it yourself at home if you have the tire removal and tire mounting tool, so you can do it at home, so you don't have to pay 50 bucks per tire. But since my mechanic can do it real fast, since he has all the nice tools, it took him less than 2 hours to do it. It was an hour and a half for 4 tires plus the state safety inspection. And guess what, the Fiat 500 passed the Virginia's state safety inspection. So anyway, I'm really excited. Anyway, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. Bye, love you guys.